Hello everyone, this is Cyrenne and welcome to my lightning talk. In this video, I'm going to share my process on how to create your own memo pads. The first thing you have to do is to create your own design or find something you like. So I drew mine on my iPad using a drawing app called Procreate. Here are some examples of my own designs. I'm going to show you a quick time lapse on how I did one of the designs. I hope you enjoy. After I'm done with the design, I exported it into JPEG format and then I laid them out in Adobe InDesign. So you can also use Photoshop or Word if you don't know how to use InDesign. Make sure to include crop marks so that you'll have a guide on where to cut them. Then save the files as PDF and now you're ready to print. Some stickers that I have made before.
The right way is feeling so wrong, but the right way should lead me to you. Cause if it's true, I don't know what I'll do. Oh, the moon pales in comparison to you. And
I actually purchased a paper cutter earlier this year because I want to actually sell my illustrations as stickers and prints. And I had this privilege to go to my first con as an exhibitor last February. But of course, you can also use your trusty old pair of scissors.
This is the end. What nonsense, darling. Why, I fixed you up last night, and I'll do it again.
oh, the moon leaving me oh so soon. Will I see you again? I'll stay right here till then, singing out to all the stars, hoping you hear me wherever you are, calling your name each and every day. If they call me insane, I'll say, oh.
I don't know why, but paper cutting is oddly satisfying for me.
I'll do it again.
quick tip, be careful on cutting your papers. So after cutting the paper, you are now ready to glue them. Use a PVA glue, or in my case, I use the wood glue. Also, include a cardboard in the last page and make sure that the top edge is aligned so that all of the paper will stick. Put a drop of glue in a surface or container and then apply it on the top edge. Let it dry for about 30 to 40 minutes. And voila! You have now created your own memo pad. So I had so much fun creating this talk, and thanks for letting me share this. Stay safe, healthy, and always be creating.